Hi there. I'll start with the Bittensor weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, Bittensor TAO is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. Why I call that testing stage instead of using terms like second test or subsequent test or spring that you typically see in like a Wyckoff textbook? Reason being, the name doesn't matter. The key is that the whales are testing the smaller players. Okay, are there any paper hands to be shaken out? Whether it's a deeper test, a second test, a lighter test, it doesn't matter. These kind of sideways shakeout is a typical behavior we can observe during an accumulation cycle. Sometimes it lasts longer. Sometimes it can be as short as the previous two rounds. For the case of TAO back in summer 2024, as well as the first quarter last year. So it's not always the same across the board. If you're watching my other sessions, you see some lasted for a full 2 years. It depends on the macro environment as well as the narrative itself, because Bittensor is sitting in a different domain, let's put it this way, in crypto, compared to other kind of coins. There are way too many, right? From meme to gaming to infrastructure to payments to real world assets, AI in this case. So this big picture, what we're expecting to come with these tests is sideways trading plus something we want to see, that is another sign of strength. The name price advance with above average volume, like what it did in March. All right, this is something we want to see, and essentially what happens after. Either it can go sideways along that blue line of $300. That's somewhere around this sideways trading range top. So we talk about the sideways trading range. For the case of TAO, 300 to 350 is the range top. Okay, you see it came up and then go back down to the lower boundary within the range of 140 to 180. Okay, that's also a similar range back in 2024 and early 2025 that TAO's price came back to test this level. Okay, so it shouldn't surprise you if it bounced between 140 to 350. Now, zooming to the daily view, and the shorter term setup is that it is still going through this downtrend. So this medium term downtrend that started in March this year, it is still within this falling channel, just that it is not falling very steep, and it has been traveling along the center line like we talked about last week. So when we edge closer and closer to the end of the month, if the price continues to jump in and out or up and down of the center line, there is a risk for a 2-6 decision that it may drop deeper to the weaker half of the channel to retest the 140. Okay, we're getting closer and closer to that date. There's like less than 10 days left, but it's not a must. Okay, it can choose to stay above the center line and just test the 180, staying above it, just like what it did in the beginning of June. However, just not long ago in February, what it did to test the 140. Don't forget, it's just only a few months back. We're not talking about a year or two ago. Okay, so these kind of sideways testing to check out paper hands, while the whales can reap a little bit of profit within the bear market. That's normal operation, let's put it this way for that. And in terms of volume, it has come down a lot compared to the earlier period this year. You see clearly the volume has died down massively, other than this pump just in the middle of June. Okay, so if no particularly bad news coming out from geopolitical risk perspective or macroeconomy perspective, that's the base case, 180 to 220. But you know where the lines are, okay? Above 220, there's still the 235 and 259 before the 268. So those two are shorter term resistances we can observe from the earlier trading, where a lot of trades happens within that range, setting these two additional boundaries in the short term. But the lower support after 180, you can say there is a slight chance that it may take a pause around 165 before testing 140. But you can see the dip, the long spread candle going all the way without doing much of a pause. Okay, so I won't rely on that 160, 165 mark too much. So that's the case for TAO. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, join the other members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.